Hi, this is Jake DeWitt, and in this video I'm going to be showing you another one of our landing page templates. This one is actually the most advanced and complex of all the landing page templates, as it is essentially a standalone website on a landing page for Infusionsoft. So let me show it to you first. As you can see up here in the nav bar, you have a full nav bar with logo and navigation items and a sign up button. If you click on any of those, it will take you to that section of the website, and you'll notice too that it actually shrinks and expands the logo up here when you start scrolling down and scroll back up. Other elements of this landing page is you have an initial video showcasing your product with additional buttons to try the product. Same with the sign up and the try it for free, you would link out most likely to some order form or some other page where they would be able to sign up, typically. Probably collecting some sort of payment method like a credit card. The feature section, this just allows you to list out the features of your product with another opportunity to try it for free, or just a buy now button that could be switched out for. You have plans and pricing, breaking out the different plans for this product if you need that. And then finally a contact us form down at the bottom where they can submit for any general contact information. So that's showcasing the landing page. Now editing this landing page, because of its complexity, is definitely not something you want to take on if you don't have a little bit of knowledge of HTML and CSS. Unfortunately, there's just not a way to be able to build a landing page like this without using the HTML snippet throughout in several places. So the first place we use it is the header or the nav section of the landing page. So you can see here this is a lot of HTML, which if you know HTML, it's not too difficult to go through and switch this out. Probably the biggest things to highlight is just like finding the nav items like features and pricing, contact. You can change those words out to be something else. Also sign up. And then the URL or the href that this is pointing to, you'd want to change that from a £sign to be the URL that is pointing to the order form or somewhere else where the person can order. And then also your image up here for your logo. Beyond that, this next section actually isn't too much going on. You have the background image, which is set up here. In other videos I actually show this, but you would just change this URL right here for the background to be pointing to whatever image that you want. It would need to be hosted either on your web server, or you could use Infusionsoft once again in the file box section. I'm not going to go through that all the way, but you would come in here, the home icon, files, go into company images after that loads. And then you would upload your file. Once it's uploaded, you just copy the URL by right-clicking or control-click, copy link location, and come back in and place in that URL right here. And that would switch out that background image. Other things on this page going down a little further is all these buttons. There's not a way, unfortunately, in Infusionsoft to throw another button in the landing page, so we have to use the HTML snippet again. But it's pretty straightforward HTML. You just change this text to try it for free, and once again you need to change out the href for the URL of wherever that sign up page is. Going down further, the features. This is pretty straightforward. You just change out the image right here to the side of the feature. Try to make it something a little bit smaller, and the heading of the feature, and then just some additional text of what the feature does. That's all editable there. Once again, the try it for free button, same thing going on here. Um, Plans and pricing, this is another HTML snippet just because this is, once again, so complicated in nature. Um, you can go through and pick out, though, the text from this that needs to be adjusted. Like when user correlate here, it goes left to right. Um, so you can go through and find it and switch out the features and tweak this as needed to get it to look how you want. Also, if you don't want to show the plans and pricing or you want to simplify this, you could always get rid of this snippet and do something else if you want. This is just a really advanced version to show what's possible using the HTML snippet and getting like a really nice design on your landing page. Also with these sign up buttons down here, you would, in the HTML snippet, you would just want to find those sections. Like there's going to be one right around here. Here we go, the sign up. You would just change this, the URL entered in here, and switch it out for something else, for whatever the URL is for that page for the sign up. And then the contact us, this one is straightforward. There's nothing too crazy going on here. So anyways, that breaks down this full standalone website landing page. Once again, it is fairly complex, so if you're not comfortable with HTML or CSS, I'd recommend going with one of the other templates, such as the Success Pages template that we have in this template package as well. That's a lot more straightforward, doesn't have as many moving features. It's not as advanced and it's not as nice looking, but definitely is easier to get up and running with. And if you do need any help with this, you can always purchase a package from us for additional time where we can help go through this and tweak this to make it look how you want and then get it on your website.